to celebrate the month of reading awareness. I checked the Thai cookbook out from the library nearby. There are many pad Thai recipes out there on the shelf. It might be a little difficult to choose one to add in your kitchen cabinet. I picked one of them and tried out the recipe. The final product I will show. Enjoy.
Hi guys! Today I will show you how to do the pad Thai by the recipe of this book, and I just follow the recipe on the page number 34. Ingredients like sweetness, saltiness and sour from the white vinegar. That's it. That's very easy and simple. The guy who wrote this book, he has been eating pad Thai 1,000 different ways from his grandma, from Bangkok, market vendors, from Thai American places in LA. Simple and direct way. So it's direct way and simple. I agree. Wow. Follow me and see how is the final product turn out. It's so easy. From the book, 4 ounces dry rice stick noodle, 2 tablespoons sugar, 2 tablespoons fish sauce, 2 tablespoons distilled white vinegar, 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil, 1/4 pound chicken, tofu, shrimp, and 1 egg, 1 cup bean sprout. It's pretty odd that they measure bean sprout by cup. See here the 4 ounce dry rice sticks. They should measure by ounce of the bean sprout as well. So yeah, this is just my suggestion. Okay, 2 green onions cut on angle into 2-inch slice. So I will show you how to cut it. 2 tablespoons of crushed roasted peanuts, 1 tablespoon of chili powder or to taste. My pepper is very spicy, so I think just use a little bit because it might be overpowering. And also 1 wedge of lime. Alright, these are all ingredients. If you want some authentic sauce, just go to my another clip that I showcase the authentic pad Thai sauce. But this is very contemporary, and he even mentioned, I forgot to highlight it, everyone has a recipe for the pad Thai, of course. Yes, literally everyone. Oh, he said here he likes the sauce to be direct and sharp. Okay, I talk too much. Just get started. For the green onions, cut and go into 2-inch slice. Soak the noodle in warm water for 30 minutes. Ta-da! Sugar here, fish sauce, and vinegar to make a sauce. This is a sauce! The white sugar is still, you can hear that. Can you hear that? It smells really vinegary. I don't know. Can I taste it? Ooh, it tastes good. Sweet, sour, and salty. So he mentioned heat and empty wok over high heat until begin to smoke. Okay. Stir in oil. I think the oil is trembling now. Add chicken. And shrimp goes in. I'm here to pretend I'm not Thai. I'm here just pretending I cannot cook at all, and I follow his book and recipe. Okay. And then tofu, so I add tofu in there. Start as I cook. Okay. Add the noodle and sauce. Then continue. So the noodle adds about 4 ounces. So it is about 4 ounces. So I stir a little bit And then he said add the noodles and sauce. Then continue stir. Use your spatula to put aside the noodle and leave them there. Make an empty space in the center of the box. Crack the egg into the empty space and let it cook until the egg starts to set. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Though the texture is nice. Pretending I cannot cook. Remove from the heat and throw the beans. Remove from the heat and throw the beans off. Bean sprout and green onions tossed thoroughly to combine. So pretending I cannot cook. Transfer to a plate and garnish with the peanut chili powder and lime wedge. Transfer in the plate. Lime wedge. There. Garnishing. Okay. I believe this is done. Okay, now the moment of truth. And salty, and I like the flavors of balancing of sour, kind of acidic, sweetness and saltiness. So it's kind of balancing. It's good, but only smell the bean sprout is makes pad thai. Maybe think of pad thai. But I'm not sure about the fishy smell of the fish sauce for the saltiness that he mentioned on the cookbook. I'm pretending I cannot cook at all. If you thinking to invest your money into some good cookbook, you might like to think. Thank you so much for watching today. If you want me to cook any menu like spicy, sassy, naughty, cooking is fun, so why not? Just try it and let me know in the comments box down below. And if you are new here to my channel, please subscribe if you like it and hit the little bell so you will not miss any spicy, sassy, naughty cooking, Thai cooking episode from me. Thank you so much. Bye.